Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay with Bitcoin using Binance. We'll cover the simple steps to get you started. First, make sure your Binance account is fully set up and verified. You'll also need to have some Bitcoin in your spot wallet. Then, we'll navigate to the Pay section, which is easily accessible from the main interface. This method is designed to be straightforward and efficient for everyday transactions. Once you're in the Binance Pay section, you'll want to select the Send option. This allows you to initiate a new payment. You can then input the recipient's unique Binance Pay ID or their registered email address or phone number. Double-check all the payment details, especially the amount you wish to send and the currency, which in this case is Bitcoin. Accuracy is key here to ensure your funds reach the correct person. Before finalizing, take a moment to review the entire transaction summary. This includes the recipient, the amount of Bitcoin, and any associated fees, which are often zero for Binance Pay. Once you are certain everything is correct, you will authorize the payment using your chosen security verification, such as a two-factor authentication code. Most Binance Pay transactions are processed almost instantly, making it a very quick way to send funds. Binance Pay offers several fantastic benefits. For most transactions, you'll enjoy zero fees, which is a significant advantage. Payments are also processed instantly, allowing for quick and efficient transfers to other Binance users around the world. It's a highly secure and incredibly convenient method for managing your everyday payments, whether you're splitting a bill or sending money to a friend. It truly simplifies using Bitcoin for daily needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.